guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the skills that are important and that are essential component of building an online business. It's not just about the print on demand. If in general, if you want to get started with any business online, you need to have these skills to be successful or to get started with that or to get consistent sales from your business and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be talking about some skills based on my own experience and knowledge. It would be helpful for you in your own print on demand business as well if you are building a one, even for your creative Fabrica business or KDB business, no matter whatever business you're starting with the online, it will going to help you in that. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys, I really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel because we'll be uploading more. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so whenever we will upload a new video, and we upload new video every single day, so you'll be get notified about it when we upload a one. And also we have a bunch of the free stuff, the free KDP interiors, the free patterns and textures which you can download completely for free. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com and check out the freebie section, download all the freebies that we have, and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month more freebies. It contains full commercial license so you can use it for making your own print on demand products and designs. Okay, now let's talk about the skills. Now there are so many skills as being a business owner that I can describe, but I'm going to share my own experience and the tips that I have learned so far and the skills that I am still learning. And some of them I have learned, but some of them I'm still learning. I'm still growing, so I'm going to be sharing that. So let's get straight with the number one skill that I think is the ultimate important for building or starting with any online business is being in a learner mindset. Yes, you need to be in a learner mindset. You don't need to be in the expert chair. What I really mean by that, let me explain you. Like if you are a beginner, or even if you are not a beginner, you are an intermediate and you're building your business and you're building a print on demand business, no matter what you're doing, you need to be in the learner mindset. You need to always be ready and prepared to learn more, to grow more, to mature more. Because in this way, you are there, you're prepared to learn more. And when you are prepared to learn more, so obviously when you're learning more, you're gonna able to grow your business fast and the level at which you want to, and you're gonna get the results which you want to. So be always in a learner mindset. Don't think that you know everything and you don't need to learn anything. No guys, you need always to be in the learner mindset. I'm not saying that you're not an expert or you don't know anything about business. I'm not telling that. I'm just saying that being in a learner mindset, being in the thinking that I'm here to learn, I want to grow, I want to mature, it will really going to help you change your mindset and will going to be prepared for you. Even if something ups and downs come, you'll be prepared for it because you are learning. If we tell ourselves that I know everything about the business, how to get started with that, how to market, how to scale, I know everything about the business, there is nothing more to learn about it. And the moment you say that you know everything, then the learning curve stops and then momently your growth stops too. Yes, I am telling based on my 1 year experience. Of course, I don't have a big experience of 5 years, 10 years in business, but from my 1 year experience, I can say probably I have seen many entrepreneurs working really hard and working on their businesses, being in the learner mindset, even after 10 years of starting with their business, even after becoming a millionaire, they are still in the learner mindset and they are still growing and maturing and taking their business to the next new level. And I've also seen a few business owners who have earn some sort of money from their business after 5 years and 10 years, and they are thinking that they'll know everything in their business. They don't need to learn anything. They can do whatever they want to because they are an expert and they know everything, so they don't need to learn, and they have stopped their success at there only. Of course, I'm not against any business owner. It just depends on individual priority, but I think that the people who are always in the learner mindset, I'm not saying that you're not an expert in an area. You could be an expert in an area, but I'm telling you to always have a learner mindset, to always be prepared to learn, to grow mature. It will really going to help you and stand from the crowd and stand from your competition because you are there to learn. So when you are there to learn, even if you fail, you're gonna learn from it. Even if you win, you're gonna learn from it. So no matter what happens, you're there to learn from it. So you will never going to lose when you are in the learner mindset. Now that's my own experience, that's my own knowledge. Of course, I did several things good in my business, and I did several things in my business that were my mistakes. But I still learn from them, I still grow from them. I'm telling myself, okay, I'm doing this mistake, but I'm learning from it. And I'm still learning. I'm going to learn each and every day until I die. So that is the first skill that you need to have. The second skill that you need to have is really important to get out of your comfort zone. Yes, I'm not telling you to have a depth of loans and take a huge risk of $1 million risk. I'm telling you to push hard and get out of your comfort zone and take an action. You're about to start something, or when we want to take our business to the next level, there is always a learning curve. There is always something that we need to do to reach to that next level. And when we are trying to do that thing, it's new for us and it's out of our comfort zone. So until you push yourself out of that comfort zone, you won't be able to grow and mature. It happens to me several times in my life, not just in my business. Like, I always push out myself out of my comfort zone no matter what happens. When I was in my college doing my graduation, I was a doctor and I was doing all those stuff. I was growing and maturing. And when I took a big leap and faith in myself and in my dreams, I left that doctor job and I started with my own business. There was a big thing that I did. That was the biggest risk that I ever took in my life, to leave something that was there for me, that was established for me, and I spent multiple different years of my life in building that stuff. I left all that behind and started with something new because I wanted to get started with that, because my heart was there, because that's what my dream and that's what my goal. So it was a big learning curve for me, and I will tell you that I have a biggest discomfort of doing that, but I did that. Because I know that I'm here to learn, I'm here to grow, I'm here to mature. I want to be my best version of myself, no matter even in my personal life, in my family life, in my business life, whatever it is. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Of course, it's not that easy as it may sound. At times we feel like we don't need to. We are comfortable within the comfortable zone. We don't want to come out of it. But I want to tell you, there is a big success, there is a big win when you come out of that comfort zone and you do something which you want to do in your life. So if you are building your print on demand business and thinking that you'll not be able to make multiple figures or multiple 4 figures, 5 figures, whatever your goal is, you think that I'm not be able to do that, it's not possible, yeah, and I'm telling you guys, it's possible, but you need to get out of your comfort zone. If you're uploading 5 designs a day, try to upload 10 designs a day. Like, do the work which is needed for building that business. Do the work, because it takes a work and nothing can beat the consistency. So let's talk about the third skill. So that is the second skill, to get out of your comfort zone. The third skill is consistency. Nothing can beat the consistency. Always keep that thing in your mind. You need to work your ass off. You need to work to get the things working in your favor. Like, no matter where you reach, like, even if you are a beginner or intermediate, you need to be consistent enough to get the things. If you're thinking that I just need to upload 10 designs, 20 designs, 50 designs, and I'm just going to leave my shop and thinking that in 6 months it will going to make me $4,000, $5,000, then I'm going to tell you 99% of this time it doesn't really happen. Yeah, that's a reality. Because you're not consistent enough, you just left it to be sort of a passive income. For those of you guys who would be thinking, oh, passive income just building for the ones and it will going to give you the fruits all throughout the life. And I'm telling you guys, passive income is not a word really exists. Like, in the beginning, you need to do a lot of the work to get that sort of a passive income strategy. So be prepared. Like, if you are starting with something, I'm going to tell you, be prepared to work. Be prepared to work hard to get the things done for you. Don't think that is so easy, that you just need to do it once and then leave it for the years to get the fruits. No, it doesn't happen that way. You need to work. You need to be consistent enough. So know the reality of what it takes to get the results before entering the space of the online business. The skill that I want to talk about is being patient. Patience is really, really important. Of course, I'm still learning to be patient. At times, I also become impatient and I just feel like I want to do it no matter what happens. I want to get the result, and I'm just working and hustling from like more than 10 hours a day. Sometimes I work like 15 hours a day, just sleep for 6 to 7 hours and do the rest of the eating and all those stuffs in 2 or 3 hours and working 10 to 15 hours. And then my friend who works with me in the same business in my banks, and he said that, oh, calm down, it's going to take some time, be patient, don't become impatient. So I'm also struggling with this thing of having the patience. That's reality, but I'm still learning, I'm still growing. So I'm going to tell you, have patience. It's really important. Like if you are like me, who is working so hard and who is kind of like impatient, then I'm going to tell you, have patience, because I am also learning the skills of building the patience, that muscle of building the patience. We work so hard because we have the muscle to work so hard, but when there is a time comes, you need to be patient, we lose the patience. So we really need to learn the skill. It will going to take some time to learn all these skills. It's not a magic one that I'm going to tell you all these skills and you're going to learn in a second. No, it will going to take some time, but you need to be doing it. You need to just write it down onto the piece of paper, stick on your board, stick on your vision board, or have the wallpaper in your mobile phone. Always read these 4 skills that is important for you, so that it will going to prep you and your subconscious mind to be prepared for working on your business. So these are the few skills that I see that's the ultimate most important. So let me just recap for you guys if you don't know what I'm talking about. The first skill that I talk about is always being in the learner mindset and always prepared to learn in your business, to grow and to mature. The second thing I talk about is to get out of your comfort zone to achieve the life of your dreams, or to do what you want to do with your life. That is a skill you need to have if you are doing a business, to get off your comfort zone. The third thing I talk about is being consistent. You need to be consistent enough to get the results, because nothing can beat the consistency. The fourth thing that I talk about is the patience. You need to have the patience to get the fruits of your plants that you have sown, of your business. You need to be patient. So these are the 4 skills that I feel that is the most important for building any online business, print on demand, whatever business you are building. But there are so many skills. Do let me know in the comment section below if you see that some other skills are also important. I'm gonna update myself with those skills as well, so do let me know in the comment section below. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to reach me in the comment section below. I will love to answer from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.